centroid for rectangle A is from the datum line to the center of the rectangle A. Here. That's 40 plus 660 plus 15. I'll just call that y dash A equals 40 plus 15. B, area B, $30 by 660. $40 plus half of 660, 40 plus 330, so we're going to multiply each area by its particular centroid. So area A was 9,600, so it's 9,600 times 715. So the centroid, we'll call it Y. Centroid is called Y. Centroid is called Y. It's from the datum line to the centroid, which is about here. Okay, anyway. Y is equal to centroid. It's the areas times their centroid, so it's 9,600 times 15. $19,800 times 370. Over the total areas. So total areas is 9,600. Then the calculator. Hopefully you're following what I'm doing. The main purpose of this video is that you learn how to do this, how to calculate the centroid and the area, second area of, what's it called, second area of moment. Yeah, second moment of area, sorry. $309.404. 309.404. $309.404 millimeters. So that is where the centroidal axis is. So it is from the datum line, the centroidal axis, draw in nice colour. There it is, central. That's the point. From there to there, from the datum line, is 309.4. 9.404 millimeters. And it's about right, so you can see this rectangle A is about 660 and it's a little bit less. So if you divide 660 by half, you get 330. So it has to be less than that, basically. So 309.404 is the centroidal axis. And question number 2. Calculate second moment of area. because we needed to know where the centroidal axis was. Dimension and sketch the location of the central axis. Dimension and sketch the locations. So our shape is we have a smaller triangle here, rectangle, middle rectangle, and the base rectangle, and this is our datum line here. So the central axis said it is 309.4 Okay, the second moment of area is equal to the individual second moment of areas of the three rectangles, and then you add them together. So for a rectangle, any rectangle, if this is B and this is H, right, the moment of area is equal to 1/12 BH squared plus the area of the rectangle times the distance it is away from the centroidal axis, which is called D squared. Alright, so if this is, for example, this is the centroidal axis here. Right, the distance it is away from the centroidal axis is this distance here, D. Okay, so we just have to calculate the second moment of area in each individual rectangle and add them together. So we'll do one rectangle at a time. So rectangle A, okay, right, its moment of area, second moment of area is equal to, sorry, that should be 12, 1/12, not 1.5. B squared. I think it should be B cubed here. Sorry, it should be B cubed. H cubed. Sorry. Let's check that. Let's check that. Sorry about this. Just stop the video for a sec and we'll come back to that. Yeah, so that was right. It is for rectangle, it's 1/12 BH cubed. So put those figures in for area rectangle A. Rectangle A. B is 320 and H is 30. B is 320, H is 30. So it's 1/12 times B is say 320 and H is 30. Yep. And then the area, we already had the area of rectangle A. It's up here at 9,600. That 9,600 times D, position of rectangle A from the datum line, from the centroid, so it is okay, it is 40, 660, it's at 715 minus, right, 715 minus the distance of the centroid. We said it's 309. So that distance there, that would be D. I'll show you on here. D for A is from this position here to here. Alright, that's D for A. D for A. So A is at 715 from the datum line. The datum line is 715, and minus 309 will give you that distance there. 0.4. So we can go just that minus 715 equals, change the sign of the answer. Now it's 405.5.6, 405.6. Alright. 405.6, 405.6 millimeters. Right, so it is 309.4. That makes 405. 0.6, that's what that equals. Put in the calculator. Right, so I'll just multiply that by 996, that, and then add it to this part here, which is up in brackets 321 times 30 squared. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ايش صار؟
ايش مالك؟
ايش فيك؟ ايش يعني ايش صار؟
لا بعرف.
Why are you asking؟
فكنت تبكي.
ليش تبكي؟
ها؟
ليش تبكي؟ أنا عملت هيك؟
ها. 3917.
شو بتعمل؟
أنا عامل recording يا سلام. 3917719. Telephone number there. 3917719 millimeters to the power 4. You can write down scientific notation if you want. 3.92 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the moment of second moment of area A. So that's A. Now second moment of area for area B. That's 1/12 times. Right, now this is the H this time, that's the B. 30 times 3, 660. 30 times 660 cubed plus its area, (19800) times d squared. Its d is the centroid, which is 40 plus half of that. 40 plus half of 660. 330 plus 40, 370. 370. Right. So the centroid for B is at 370, but D is this distance here, that distance there, and that's going to be 370 minus 309.4. Let's check that again. Yep, 370. So 60.6. There. So it's D. 60.6. 60.6 squared. Put down in the calculator. Here. Brackets. I'll put my glasses. Stop. Okay, you can see in the previous second moment of area for rectangle A, you can see I put squared here, and it should have been a cubed. Right, so this has to be a cubed to power 3. I'll go back and correct that, so it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, let's divide it by 12. Oh, it's a much bigger answer. 7199 3988 988. Something like a mobile phone number. 0. Right, so I just go back and correct the other one. Right, so the other one was should be cubed over here. So this is wrong here, this one. This value. Right, so calculator. Calculator error. So we had 9, clear. Let's put this value here first. 9600 times 405 6 plus bracket 320 30 raised to the power 3 bracket 1.12 equals. So it's a little bit bigger. Bigger number. It's 4613. That's a little bit larger. 4613760. 461 461 37603 0. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Right, and we'll add them together and then write it in scientific notation afterwards. So last area, that was area B. Second moment of area for area B, and now the second moment of area for area C. Now this time area C is below the centroid, so we're looking at the distance from here, that distance there to the centroid. Centroid. So we're looking at this distance here, and it can be a negative number. Right, and that distance is 309.4. Take away 40. Take away 20. Take away 20. 309.4, take away 20. 9, which is 289.4 millimeters. Right, so 1/12 times the base C is 440 times its height cubed. Height is 40 plus its area. The area of C is 17,600. And distance from the centroid is 289.4. 289.4, and we have to square that. I'm not sure if we squared that one. Did we square? No, we didn't square this one either. Should have squared that one. And we squared that one. Let's check it in the calculator. I think I made another mistake. Didn't square it. Oh God, now do I square that one too? Sure, try again. It's 19. Check that, should get 19. 119. 988. Might be wrong as well. Let's check that again. It's wrong. Let's clear that. Start again. We'll start from here. It's 3 is 30. Brackets. 30. Small. It's wrong there. Let's change that. That should be 7914. Big number again. 79145 79145 2728 2728. Here again it's wrong because I didn't square that. It's wrong again here. Just put it again. Put it into the calculator again. Yeah, that makes more sense. 1587, 15879, 15879, 49056, 49056. Again, 15879. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits there. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. One, two, three, four, five, six, not happy with that. Yeah, I've got divided by 12. That's why. Oh God. It's wrong again. Do it again, one more time. Right. Forgot to divide by 12. 30. Erased. Not much difference. 158. Zero, 29056. 29056. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's wrong there, that's the right answer there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should be bigger. Let's check this one again. 30. That's right. Okay. Okay, that's right. So let's check. So just continue and calculate the second moment of area for area number C, area C. Let's put that in the calculator. So those other two were okay. I just checked those. It's okay now. Oops. Right, so here we go. 440 times 40 cubed, and bracket divided by 12 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, 14. Come on. 14. 7404. 383. Now all we do is just add all those together. So the total second moment of area, which is question 2. Equal to all those added together. So I'm just going to add them together. Use the calculator. I'll put them down. No, actually I won't. Just copy them. That. Together. So so what I'll do, I'll just simplify this. Write scientific notation. So this is to the power 9, say. I did to the power 10, so it's 1, 2. This is my point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 1.47. 47 times 10 to the 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 10 to the 9. And plus 15 and 1.5 times 10 to the 9. Add them together. Yeah, 1.47 plus 0.5. 3.85 times 10 to the 9 millimeters to the power 4. That's it. So that's the second question in that problem. Calculate now the third question. Calculate the section modulus. Right, horizontal axis only. Question 3. Question number 3. That's question number 1. 2. Okay, third question is we need to find the section modulus ZXX. So you have your beam. This is our beam. And we found the centroid from the datum line. So it was 309.4 millimeters, and the height of the whole beam is 730. Now your section modulus is equal to second moment of area over what's called C. Right, C is the furthest distance from the centroid to the extreme surface. For example, you have this surface here on top of the beam, and this is the bottom of the beam here. So whichever distance is further from the centroid, so you can see this the top distance here is further, so that's going to be C, and you can see that's going to be equal to 730 minus 309, which equals 30 So I just put those values in. let's see, 3.85, and actually if we take those values up here, add all those together, better. So it's 147. Right. Let's clear that. 147 404 3 plus 791 452 728 plus 158.0029006 equals, right, so we had yeah 3.85 divided by 420. Right, gives us 9142952. 914 2952 2952 1. I can simplify that to 9.14 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, that's the section modulus. So that's question 3 for the question. So I'm going to put this on the YouTube, and this is question 1 from the assignment. Question 1 from the assignment, and I'll put question 2 on shortly, and question 3. Right, so this is really for the purpose of learning. Should go through what I've done here to try to understand how to calculate firstly the centroid, how to calculate the centroid of a section, and second moment of area, and then the section modulus. Right, that's all.